Here we have the RoboRock S8 Ultra Pro. This robot is having an issue. It appears to be stuck in one place and it keeps spinning. Then reports error 8 robot trap, clear obstacles surrounding robot. As you can see, there is no obstacles.
Error 8. Robot trapped. Clear obstacles surrounding robot.
Here you see that one wheel is good and the other keeps spinning freely. This should not be the case. Let's take a closer look. Here we see that the wheel is damaged. I removed the wheel and as you can see the wheel needs to be replaced. Oh, I had almost forgot one key important step. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you like more videos like this. The wheel has been replaced. Let's see if the robot can now leave the dock. The robot will now spin and redock to clean the mop. Let's see if it can do this simple task. The robot returned to the dock successfully. We will now set the robot to clean. Let's see how it does. The robot is back to work. No more defer compensation for it. It need to return to work ASAP. The robot is maintaining a straight line. Replacing the wheel resolved this issue. Now let's see how it does with obstacles. Here are 2 chairs. Will it get stuck and spin? Will it get error 8 again? The robot recognized the obstacles and maneuvered successfully around the chairs. Did you remember to like and subscribe and share this video? It really helps me out so I can make more DIY videos. This was a simple DIY fix. You can order parts online. It's a level 4 easy task. Thank you and have a nice day.